All right, welcome back to St. Paul Harley-Davidson Service Department. This is going to be year number 4 for the little contest we like to call TECHS Pick. Tell them a little bit about it, Phil.
Well, out of the roughly 500 motorcycles that we have in here for storage, pretty much every year, the technicians, as they're winterizing the bikes, basically pick out something that really calls to them, and they look for all the cool add-on features or even stock bikes. But they just like to go through and pick the hottest one that they like, and then we get a lineup of them and do a competition at the end or during the winter storage season.
Yeah, as you can imagine, with over 500 bikes to choose from, it's pretty difficult for them to narrow it down to just one. And then out of those 10, we're going to try to narrow it down to one again. So over the course of the next month and a half, look out here every Tuesday and Thursday, and one of the techs is going to introduce you to one of these bikes and tell you why it's his pick.